Very good morning, students. Okay, now we have finished in our Zoom lecture part 1 of the Princess September. Now I am going to start part 2. Okay, see. It seemed to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. What with hawks and snares, you never knew what trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her, and he might take a fancy to somebody else. That would be dreadful. She wished he were safely back again. Now, Princess September was wishing in her mind that little bird should be back again. He should not be eaten, or he should not be a prey by any hawk or any eagle. Okay, and he should not be caught by any hunter. He should save. It should save, and it should not be dreadful. Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. He had come in so quietly and alighted so softly that she had not heard him. I wondered what on earth had become you, said the princess. I thought you would wonder that, said the little bird. The fact I nearly didn't come back tonight at all. My father-in-law was giving a party and they all wanted me to stay, but I thought you would be anxious. Okay, where was the bird? His father-in-law was giving a party to all, and the bird was in that party only. At that night, in the last night, the bird was in that party. And I will be back. I didn't wanted to come back, but I will be back for you because I thought you would be anxious. Under the circumstances, this was a very unfortunate remark for the little bird to make. September felt her heart go thump against her chest, and she made up her mind to take more risk. No more risk. She did not want to take more risk. Okay, so what she had done? She put her hand and took hold of the bird. The bird suspected nothing, and he was so surprised when she carried him over to the cage, popped him in, and shut the door on him. For a moment, he could think of nothing to say. Okay, what Princess September had done here? She brought a cage and she kept that bird in a cage. The bird was very surprised. How can she keep me in that cage? Okay, bird was not aware of all these things, but she popped him in and shut the door on him, that for a moment he could think of nothing to say. But in a moment or two he hopped up the ivory perch and said, "What is the joke?" He hopped his ivory perch. Okay, white ivory, it means white in color, like that, pure white. And he ivory perch and said, "What is the joke?" "There is no joke," said September, "but some of Mamma's cats are prowling about tonight, and I think you are much safer in here." Okay, what she was saying, this is not a joke, but Mamma had some cats and they are roaming here and there, and tonight this is not safer for you. You are much safer inside. "Well, just for this once I don't mind," said the little bird, "so long as you let me out in the morning." तो उसने भी क्या कहा, ठीक है, ये आज की ही रात है, It's okay, I will be in a cage, but tomorrow morning you should make me free. He ate a very good supper and then began to sing. But in the middle of his song, he stopped. I don't know what is the matter with me, he said, but I don't feel like singing tonight. Very well, said September. Go to sleep instead. So he put his head under his wing in a minute and was fast asleep. September went to sleep too. But when dawn broke, she was awakened by the bird calling her at the top of his voice. Wake up, he said. But at the dawn time, dawn time it means early morning time, very early. It may be 4 and 5 at the morning time. The bird was very weak and the and he was awakened to the Princess September. His voice was very low at this moment. Wake up, he said. Open the door of this cage and let me out. I want to have a good fly while a dew is still on the ground. While the dew it means a drop. While there will be a drop of some water droplets will be there at the dawn time. Before that droplets, I wanted to fly in this beautiful sky. You are much better off where you are, said September. But Princess September was not ready to hear anything of him. She said, You are much better off where you are. Let me out, said the bird. But the bird was continuously saying, Let me out. And he tried to sleep through the bars of the cage, but the course could not, and he beat against the door, but the course could not open it. Then the 8 princes came in and looked at him. They told September she was very wise to take their advice. They said he would soon get used in cage, and a few days would quite forgot he had even be free. Then her 8 sisters came to her, and they became very happy to see that bird in a cage. Okay, and they told Princess September, whenever this is our advice to you, keep him continuously in a cage so that he will be forgot his freedom. Within few days he will forgot his freedom. Okay. The little bird said nothing all while they were there, but as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again. Let me out, let me out. Okay. The little bird again began to cry. Let me out, let me out. Don't be such an old silly, said September. I have put you in a cage because I am so fond of you. I know what's good for you much better than you do yourself. Princess September, now she was convincing that bird that I love you, so I know much better how what is good for you. Okay, and why don't you sing and forgot all your troubles? Forgot all your troubles, just concentrate on your singing. You sing very beautifully. How can I sing? Answered the bird. I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. I can sing only when there will be growing rice, there will be in the fields, there will be trees and there will be lake. How can I sing alone? Okay. The bird, okay, it's not the same thing, said the little bird. The rice fields, sorry, I skip one line. I will take you out every day, she said. What she said? I will take out you in the rice fields. I will take out you everywhere, wherever you want to go. Okay, but if he but the bird would not sing song, and it is not the same thing, said the bird. The rice fields, that lake, willow trees, and look quite different when you see them through the bars of the cage. I don't want these bars of the cage because they look very different from here. Okay, we are going to stop here and take care of you.